Hello, my name is Diana Bautista and I'm going to describe the assignment number 3.1, which is programs, algorithms, and functions. First of all, we have to resolve what's the time, and we have to build a Python script that tells us the current time. So we need to create a text editor or a Jupyter that is called current time .py, which I created here, and is this one. Then I have to add a docstring to the script to explain what it does, and to do that we have to create 3 of these symbols, and then this is about the current time, close, and then we have to import the data module, which we call it import datetime function, and then we will get the current time using datetime.now. So time function will be equal to datetime.now parentheses time, and this function will call the time. So if this script is being executed and the if statement is then the if statement will be true. So we had also to create this name equal main, and we had to execute the script in the terminal to check if it prints the time. So we import datetime time and then create the if statement with this format, and we run it, and this is the time in this format: hour, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. Second, we have formatting customer names. Again, we have to build a function that displays a customer's name and location if applicable. So for this, we have to create a format customer function. And here will be my text file. I name it, I describe it as this is about formatting customer name. I'm going to define this function, format customer, and then the requirements is that takes 2 required positional arguments. My 2 arguments are going to be the first name, last name, and 1 optional location. So first argument first, second argument last, third argument location. And then it will return a string in the required format. So these are the steps that I already did, and we have to import this format customer function here, and we have to run this. Of course, I save my text file, and I created this description: if then else. So if the full name is first and last, and if location, return full name and location, else return full name. Let's see. Okay, just John Smith, California. Okay, number 3 is the Fibonacci function with an iteration. Again, we have to create a Fibonacci.py file. Here is my Fibonacci, and it's going to be iterative first. Okay, and then I'm going to define the function Fibonacci iterative. It will get only 1 argument. So because we have to create, okay, so the 1 argument will be n. Okay, the number. And then when we run the code, it should be like this. And then, okay, we create this description to be iterative. Previous equals 0, current equal 1, for I in range n minus 1. Current old equal current, current equal previous plus current, previous equal current old, and it will return current. Let's see. So this is the following output, and this is the second output when the Fibonacci iterative is 3, is 2, and then when Fibonacci iterative is 10, is 55. Now we have to create a Fibonacci function with recursion, and for that we defined the function Fibonacci recursive with one argument, n number. So if n equal 0 or n equal 1, return n. Else return Fibonacci recursive minus 2 plus Fibonacci recursive n minus 1. Again, let's run it. And this is the output.